Hey guys, welcome back to MT Paradise. So as you guys know, I do wrap cars, and if you're new here and you don't know, well, now you do. So this is actually my personal Lexus IS 200 Turbo, and I obviously wrapped it in this crazy cool, awesome Golf livery. It's all a 3M matte black metallic, which looks very beautiful, and also I did the stripes in gloss. The orange is actually 3M, and the blue is actually Avery Dennison. So I do prefer using Avery and 3M because they are very good brands. I also do use a Nosotech as well, and I am a certified dealer, so if you guys want a Nosotech wraps, definitely let me know. But this video is not about getting wraps, it's about taking care of them. So the most asked question I get is, what do you do to take care of a wrapped car? And something that I actually do whenever people come to me for a full wrap, I always include a bucket, different kinds of soaps and other kind of detailing products that you're going to be able to use for your car to be able to take care of it. So all the time I have the people who want to either get a wrap or they just got a wrap. The number one question is obviously how to take care of it, and with that is, can I take it through a car wash, like an automated car wash? My answer on that would be no. So with vinyl, like those car washes, a lot of times will have like the little brushes or like the foam things that spin around. Well, like let's say a pickup truck goes in there covered with mud and rocks. A lot of that stuff will get stuck on those brushes, and it could then just start scratching up the vinyl, and it just is really bad. It's also bad for your paint. So even regardless, you should not go through an automated car wash unless it's a touchless. Those are a lot better. The problem with touchless and having a wrap is the vinyl wraps around the edges of the body panels. If you get water pressure blasting in at a certain angle, it could mess up the edge of certain panels. Or even like the stripes, for example, if the water's hidden really hard, it could kind of get under the edge of the vinyl, depending on the thickness of vinyl, stuff like that, the different pressures. So I would say, do not take your car through an automated car wash, especially if you have a wrap. And that's why whenever I do full wraps, I include like that care package that has like a bucket. I have the different cleaning supplies for if it's a gloss wrap, I'll have the wrap detailer. If it's a matte wrap, I'll do Meticulous matte. So I usually include a bucket, detail spray, car wash, and some microfibers so that the customer who just gets a full wrap such as this can then have a little care package so that they can take care of their car for many months to come. So the first product is actually going to be Chemical Guys Wrap Detailer. So this stuff, like honestly, I prefer Chemical Guys products. They're really good. They're super legitimate, and their stuff works amazing. So with Wrap Detailer, this is pretty much made for, it works on gloss and satin. I would not say to use this on matte. You can in theory, but it's not really intended for matte finishes. Right here it even like mentions how you can use it on your vinyl wraps, clear brawl, paint protection film. So for example, I have this film on my headlights, which is actually from Laminex. So if you guys want headlight or taillight film, there's going to be a link in the description down below so you can pick up some film with Laminex. Using my link, you get 15% off. So if you guys want a fully wrapped car, or if you already have a car and you want headlight film or taillight film, they also do have paint protection. Definitely go check out Laminex, link in the description down below. But back to Wrap Detailer. So you can use it on pretty much any kind of film that you do put on your car. It will make it like a lot glossier. So whenever I use it on like the glosses, it really pops and it looks so good. It also does add that like UV protection as well as kind of like a water repellent. Whenever you do use this on your entire car, you can go drive out in a rainstorm and you'll just see that water just kind of bead and fly off. And I don't know if it's intentional, but whenever you use it, you'll notice that the smell is kind of like a pina colada. So whenever you're like cleaning your car with this, and the best thing is it's a wrap detailer. So it's like you just essentially spray on the car, wipe it with a microfiber, kind of let it sit and dry, and then you go back over with a clean microfiber and you wipe it off, and that easy. Here's Meticulous Matte. So it's pretty much kind of like the same type of spray, but you use it on pretty much matte or satin finishes. You can use it on, it's safe for OEM paint, vinyl, and other kind of matte surfaces. It really does help so much. It kind of gives that like matte finish, kind of like it keeps it looking matte. So whenever like you touch stuff, if you ever have like a matte car or vinyl, you'll notice that when you touch it, it leaves oil spots. So with this stuff, it actually kind of protects that as well, makes it look really nice and matte. And it actually is a great product. So this is what I use for the matte portion of the car. Also spray detailer. So I usually just spray this on any panel I want to clean. I just pretty much spray it on, wipe it with a microfiber, let it sit, take a clean microfiber, wipe off, and it looks just like this, nice and clean. See like the body lines, looks so good. But yeah, definitely Meticulous matte and the wrap detailer. So these are two products that are pretty much going to be the primary to take care of. Both of these are super awesome because they are spray detailers. They're quick and easy, but also there are car washes. So I use this Meticulous matte, kind of like auto wash. It's the same exact thing as the detail spray, but this you can put in a bucket, hand wash your entire car with soap and water using this. So it looks really good, especially if your car is all matte. But also if you have a gloss wrap, I usually use Hydro Suds. So this is a ceramic car wash. So not only does it kind of keep your vinyl looking nice and fresh and shiny, but also gives it like that ceramic coating. And on pretty much vinyl, you can ceramic coat it just like normal paint. And the benefits with that is whenever you go to clean it every single time, for example, like all this gloss and whatnot, I'll just take the wrap detailer, spray it, and everything wipes off because I use products such as like Hydro Suds to keep a ceramic coating on the entire car. If your car is primarily matte, I would not suggest using Hydro Suds. I would suggest using like the Meticulous matte car wash. But I will say, like, whenever you're using like this, you obviously wipe over your entire car. But if you don't want to do like an application where you actually get your car out, water and all that kind of stuff, and you just want to kind of keep it to like the primary detail sprays, one of the best things to go along with that is you are going to need to clean all of your glass. So Chemical Guys Hydro View is perfect for that. So this is a ceramic spray that's pretty much made for all kinds of glass. It is absolutely insane. I usually put this on all my glass, especially the windshield. I'd be driving in the rain. I don't even use my wipers anymore. I just have a Hydro View. The rain just hits the windshield, beads off, and just flies away. Side windows as well. Whenever it's raining, I'll see like the water kind of flowing from behind the mirror, and it just flies right by because it doesn't stick to the glass at all because Hydro View. So this stuff is super awesome. I do use it on all my glass, and you can see like how nice and shiny that looks, how clean it is. Like this is just amazing using Hydro View. So I definitely highly recommend using Hydro View, especially if you're just doing like a spray detail wash. I use Meticulous matte on this, wrap detailer, and then Hydro View. But also one of the things that I want to add is the carbon fiber. So obviously I'm not going to use like wrap detailer on carbon fiber. I will say I have before. It worked out really well. I'm not saying that's the perfect go-to method, but if you're in a pinch, you can't do that. Not only do they make like Hydro View and Hydro Suds, they have a whole lineup of hydros. So there's like Hydro Speed, Hydro Slick. There's a couple others that are ceramic detailers. So you can pretty much get a ceramic spray. You'll spray on your carbon fiber, and then you'll wipe it with a clean microfiber. And then you'll go back with a different microfiber and wipe off kind of like that little residue that'll kind of dry on. So then you can put a ceramic coating on your carbon fiber and have it looking absolutely amazing. And not only will it protect it like UV wise from the sun and everything, but you also protect it from any kind of dirt or grime that just sits there, or even like whenever it rains, any kind of water will just deflect right off. But especially that UV. So carbon fiber does have a clear coat. So using that ceramic detail spray definitely helps with keeping it like nice and shiny, but also keeps that clear coat nice and fresh and prevents it from getting all kinds of sun damage. And a lot of times you'll get cracking on the edges of the carbon fiber. So definitely take care of that, especially with kind of like these hydro products are going to be right here. These things are super awesome, and they're pretty much my go-to for ceramic products. I just don't have any on hand. And then some honorable mentions. We have the Waterless Wash. This is like if you go to like a car meet and you just want to like wash your car real quick. This will work for vinyl, paint, pretty much PPF, anything you have on your car. Go to a car wash, spray and wipe. It's pretty much like it says, waterless car wash. So it's just that self-explanatory. And the next thing you want to take care of your car with is Total Interior. This is an absolutely amazing wonder spray, which pretty much works on everything. So once you're inside your car, you just spray it on a microfiber and you can wipe off your dash, your screen, your glass, pretty much anything on your interior. Oh yeah, there we go. Dash, glass, navigation, and more. So definitely check out Total Interior from Chemical Guys. This stuff is amazing. So not only do you want to have the outside of your car looking fresh, especially if you had vinyl wrap, but also to keep your interior looking just as good, if not better. So most major cities do have a store called Detail Garage, and Detail Garage is pretty much a store for just Chemical Guys products. So if you have a Detail Garage in your city, like San Antonio, there's a couple. The one I usually go to is the Northwest San Antonio store, so definitely go check them out if you're in San Antonio. If not, definitely go down in the description down below. There's going to be all kinds of links. I'm going to have every single product listed. You can buy these on Amazon. They could be at your house tomorrow. So definitely go check out all those links. So if your car's wrapped and you just want to like add all the products that you need for cleaning it, definitely the links in the description down below. Also, I want to mention, but not only can you buy just regular bottles of spray, you can also buy giant jugs to fill up those little bottles. So because my car is wrapped and wraps do last many, many years, for me, I focus on attention to detail, getting everything as perfect as possible. This wrap should last 10 to 15 years as long as it's taken care of properly. So I definitely picked this up for like the long term. It's going to be super awesome. It's a giant tub of Meticulous matte. This is a 1 gallon jug and it'll last me a long time. I also have a 1 gallon jug of the Meticulous matte car wash as well as the wrap detailer. So when it comes to stuff like this, you can definitely buy the little bottles on Amazon. You can also get the big giant jugs because if you know you're going to have your car wrapped for a while, you might as well stock up, especially with products that are going to keep your vinyl lasting a long time, because a lot of people just let their vinyl get rained on, stormed on, parked under a tree, sap drips on it. It'll stain, eat away, corrode, discolor. It'll pretty much mess up all your vinyl. So with these products and keeping it clean all the time, your vinyl will last many, many years and you'll have nothing to worry about. So if you guys want to pick up any of these products, there will be links in the description down below. So definitely go check those out. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit the like button down below. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this or even other videos with my Lexus. I do have another car coming some point this year, I will say that. Also, a lot of car modifications on this car. So definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe so you can see everything that's to come. But as always, guys, thank you for watching.